Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily use OkCupid. OkCupid is one of the best dating applications, and using it is pretty simple. So first, what you can do is go right bottom corner to your profile, and then you're gonna see on left top corner your profile picture. Click on it, and you can simply edit everything here. So about what you like, who you actually are, who are you actually, and then you can simply click edit photos here and upload photos or delete them. So this is the most important thing about the application. Now, when we go back, under write my name, I can see preferences. So click on it and you can actually see like, okay, who am I looking for? I'm looking for a woman from 19 to 30, distance. Then you can change the looks, lifestyle, everything. Now, when you got it, you can go simply to settings, and in settings, you can again change the notifications, privacies, and everything. Now, when we have it, let's go to double take. In double take, this works exactly as a Tinder. I can swipe left, I can swipe right. If I'm going to swipe left, this means that I'm going to dislike, or I can simply click here that I like, whatever, right? Okay. So this is what you can do. Then you're gonna see likes here in the next thing, who actually liked you. But to see who liked you, you need to pay. So that's like kind of bad. And then you're gonna see messages here that you can actually message with someone. Now again, when I'm going to click on profile, I can simply answer questions here about myself. And that's pretty much it, how we do it. So yeah, thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. You can also see recommended here, or like new people, or popular people, or nearby me. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.